Transportation Office LTO as the agency mandated to ensure that all motor vehicles operating on public highways are duly registered as long recognize the rapid advancement of electric vehicle EV technology. The spirit of intent of the EVIDA law is unmistakable: to encourage and promote the use of electric vehicles in recognition of their environmental and sustainability benefits. Reports stating that the intent prohibitions on the operations of e-bikes and e-trikes on December 1 has no legal basis is entirely not correct. The EVIDA IRR has already clarified that LEVs, or those electric vehicles weighing less than 50 kilograms, 50 kgs, designated for exclusive private use are those not intended to operate on public highways, or which are designated only for use on non-government roads, or not intended for operation at all. The only ones exempted from the registration with the LTO based on the IRR of the EVIDA law, exclusive private use means that these vehicles should not be operated in public highways or any government roads. And if these are to be used in such places, it must be registered with LTO. Unless expressly repealed or declared inconsistent with the law, this IRR remains valid and enforceable. The LTO's position that all motor vehicles operating in public highways is also backed up the legal foundation that is grounded in its mandated under Section 5A of the Land Transportation Traffic Code, or RA 4136, which states that no motor vehicle shall be used or operated on or upon any public highways of the Philippines unless the same is properly registered. Hence, any motor vehicle plying the public highways which are not registered with the LTO are not allowed to be operated in these places. There is no mistake that EVs, including e-bikes or e-trikes, are considered motor vehicles, which come under the purview of registration with LTO under RA 4136. A motor vehicle is broadly defined as any vehicle propelled by any power than the muscular power that operated on public highways. Meanwhile, RA 1197 defines an electric vehicle as any vehicle equipped with at least one electric drive or propulsion. Given that this definition, EVs, including battery electric vehicles, hybrid plugs in hybrids, and LEVs, falls squarely with the definition of motor vehicles when operated on public roads. Furthermore, considering that at present e-bikes and e-trikes are not registered with the LTO, there's no way that the government will be able to enforce accountability in case of mishaps or accidents or even crimes committed using these vehicles. If the operation of these vehicles will not be regulated, ensuring public safety will be an uphill battle for the government. A registered vehicle allows authorities to verify ownership, establish liability in accident, violation, or crimes, ensure roadworthiness through inspection, and regulate driver and operator behavior. If LEV are allowed in public highways without registration, LEV operator would fall outside the jurisdiction of transport authorities, comprising the road safety and creating information gaps, a complication that LTO should resolve and avoid at all costs. So, yun pong clarification po for December 1, tuloy po yan on a national highway. Naintindihan natin na marami tayong mga kababayan na magagalit, pero ang ating priority po dito yung kanilang seguridad, yung kanilang safety safety sa kalye, na hindi sila maaksidente. So sabi ko nga po sa mga ibang interview ko, na di baling magalit ho kayo sa akin, at least safe pong makakauwi yung mga anak ninyo, asawa ninyo, kaysa naman po maaksidente dahil sa maling paggamit nitong mga EV, e-trikes sa mga national highways.